Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Libra air sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your first card for the reading. Libra, Five of Cups, the Devil, Eight of Wands. So here the Five of Cups is reverse. So definitely you or your person, maybe Capricorn, the Devil is here. Yeah, for some there is separation is ending between with both of you. Five of Cups in reverse. Yeah, some communication is open up already between both of you. Eight of Wands, you both will communicate back and forthly. Yeah, in past there is some obsession between both of you, or there is some deception in this connection due to the Devil energy. But I think that energy is going to be end between both of you, because the Five of Cups is reversed. Definitely there is separation ending. Definitely there is some communication is open up between both of you. So let's see some more cards. Yeah, Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, Six of Swords. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different countries, different states and different cities. Yeah, Ten of Cups, you both are wishing for this connection, and one person in this connection feeling very burdened due to the relationship or due to work pressure, whatever. Definitely one person feeling like this. And Six of Swords, yeah, that person want to resolve the things between both of you. Six of Swords, some communication. Yeah, I think communication is the key here. They want to communicate, they want to express their feelings, and they want to resolve the things between both of you. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. King of Wands, Judgment, and Five of Swords. Yeah, definitely there are some disagreements between both of you. Five of Swords is here, and Judgment, and King of Wands. But one person is very passionate about the other person, and Judgment. Definitely one person making a major decision in this connection. Judgment means it could be you or your person. Let's pull some more cards. Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, stability is coming in this connection. After the separation there will be reunion between you and your person. And Ace of Pentacles with Ten of Pentacles, definitely long term commitment is coming, because Nine of Pentacles to Ten Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, definitely there will be reconciliation for those who are waiting for. And for some it will take some time, because one person is working hardly toward their goals and achievements, because all Pentacles is here. But for some, your person want to offer commitment, and definitely they want to offer stability. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely for some reconciliation, for some your person right now concentrating on their career. I am getting two groups here, but some communication, you both will communicate. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get more clarity. So your person current feelings towards you, then we will see their actions. First, your person current feelings towards you. Strength, the Hermit, Justice. Yeah, your person want to stand by their power. The Strength card, you or your person could be Leo. And the Hermit, definitely your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are not talking to you for some, but that communication is open up, because Eight of Wands is here. Some separation cycles are going to be end. And Justice, definitely they want second chance. This Libra card, I think your person wants second chance, or you want second chance. Energy could be vice versa. So let's pull your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, Knight of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Devil. Two times the Devil. Definitely there is some obsession. One person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits, or one person in this connection could be Capricorn also. Definitely your person this time want to offer equal give and take. They are coming back to you like this. But nights means in and out of your life. I think that is the issue here. I think that could be the reason for the separation between both of you in past. But now your person want to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles is here and the devil energy. So be careful if your person is deceptive. So take decision depending upon your situation. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, take decision wisely, because nights are in and out your life. So definitely this time your person want to offer equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take between both of you. But you are working. I think you are working on yourself, Libra. Definitely you are concentrating on your career, because 8 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. You are standing by your power and you are investing your time and energy towards your goals and careers. But now your person want you back. They want second chance. But they are nights. They are in and out your life. So decision is up to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So yeah, Ace of Wands, 2 cards, 3 of Pentacles. So a lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. 9 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups. Yeah, one person fantasizing about the other person a lot, or you both are in some confusion, or one person may be in confusion in this connection right now. I think it's your person fantasizing about you a lot, Libra. And yeah, you stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone. I think it's you, it's your card. And Ace of Wands with 3 of Pentacles. Now your person want to work on this relationship, or you both want to work on this relationship, because 3 of Pentacles is partnership. Definitely you both want to work on this relationship. And Ace of Wands, definitely there is some passionate new beginning. I think it's your person want passionate new beginning. This is connection cards. If you both want to work on this relationship, definitely there is some movement in this connection in near future. But you both have to work on this relationship and want to offer equal give and take. Then it will go to next level. Otherwise, it is nowhere. Still one person have options, are in confusion or fantasizing. But Ace of Wands wanting a passionate new beginning and what partnership with other person. So this connection requires partnership. There is no partnership. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Libra. So this time your person has to put effort to take this relationship to next level. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Ace of Swords, 4 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 7 of Wands, sorry. Yeah, I think you are defensive this time. You are very defensive. And 4 of Swords, you are not talking to your person. You are taking your time. You are healing. Definitely you are thinking about your person and relationship a lot, but you are not talking to anyone right now. Ace of Swords. Definitely after that healing process, you will talk to your person and you will. This is Ace of Swords means truth coming out. Definitely some communication, some truth coming. Yeah, some communication is coming in your way. You both will communicate, but it will take some time. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here. But this time you are very defensive. So let's see your person overall energy this week. The Hierophant, 5 of Wands, 6 of Swords. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. 5 of Wands. Yeah, I think your person want to fight for you and your person want to fight for your attention also. 5 of Wands. Or 2 persons are fighting for your attention. Hierophant, definitely your person now want to offer commitment to you. In past they did it, but now they want to offer commitment. But it's up to you, because if it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, please take decision wisely, because you stand by your power. You are working on yourself. Now your person want to back and they want second chance and they are coming back with an offer, Libra. So it's up to you, Libra, to give second chance to your person or not. So take what resonate, leave the rest. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.